How to fix BeReal upload error. To fix a BeReal upload error, you want to immediately check your internet connections. First thing, you want to make sure to open up settings on your device. Go to network and internet from the list, select internet, and here you could simply go ahead and make sure to switch between Wi-Fi or mobile data. That should be able to help you out. Next, you could also simply restart your device, as sometimes a simple glitch can be fixed with the simple restart as well. Now, other than that, what you want to do is you could simply go ahead and make sure to update your app. So head over to your respective app store, type in BeReal, and make sure to update the app to the latest version. Now, in some cases, the BeReal will send you a notification, and if you miss notification, you could post it and it's going to notify late post. But if you've not enabled any sort of permission as well, that can also hinder with your upload. So you want to go to settings, you then want to go to apps, locate, see all apps, and go to BeReal from the list. Here it is. You want to go to permission, make sure camera and microphone are toggled on, as well as you want to go to storage and cache. You could click on clear cache, and this should definitely help you fix BeReal upload error. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.